To put your Galaxy A34 5G in safe mode, what you need to do is go to the power menu. You can either go to the power menu by pressing and holding side key plus volume down, or you can just slide and use this power button to go to the power menu. Now from here, long press the power off button. Okay, so just touch and hold, and you should see the safe mode option. Tap on it again, and that's going to reboot your phone into safe mode. And here we are in safe mode, and you can tell that we're in safe mode because it's always going to have this safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner. It's always going to say it's in safe mode. Okay, so safe mode has most of the apps disabled. It's basically a mode where you can use to troubleshoot a few issues. So to exit safe mode, simply go back to the power menu and then tap on restart, and then confirm you want to restart your phone, and now it should restart back into normal mode. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.